Hi all, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to explain about the Google Cloud Spanner connector. This is an outbound connector for Camunda 8. This is Akash. I am working as a full stack developer at Acheron Software Consultancy. So Google Cloud Spanner connector is an outbound connector to connect with Google Cloud Spanner database and perform operations. These are the functionalities provided by this connector. With this connector, we can create a table, insert a data to a table, update a data in a table, delete a data in a table, and retrieve data from a table in a Spanner database. So now, moving forward, I will explain what are the prerequisites needed for this connector. We are using self-managed version. So first we need to download the project and build jar file with the project. After building the jar file with the project, we need to build an image for Docker. We'll need to build a Docker image with the jar file. So with this command we can build a Docker image. After building a Docker image, we can check it in Docker also. We can see spanner connector image is created. So now after building, we need to compose the Docker file which is already present in the project. I will show you the Docker compose file. Here we need to bind the JSON credential file for spanner account. This can be downloaded from our service account. We need to have it in a specific file folder, and we need to give the file path here and here. So after composing the Docker compose file, we can see here the Docker in Docker the project is running fine. So that next prerequisite is the user need to fill the spanner connection details. Here this project ID, instance name, and database name must be filled individually with the user. These details can be found in spanner database. I will show you where to find it. Here if we go to spanner, this is an interface for spanner, and this is the project ID which we need to enter it in the spanner connection field. And here we can find the instance ID. This is my instance ID for now, and I'm having a database, and I need to provide the database name also in the spanner connection. So with this, moving forward, I will explain how to perform all operations using this connector and do the operations in spanner database. Now I will show you how to delete the data which is available in a table in spanner database through Camunda connector. So now here we can see there is a dummy data available in a table called library in spanner database. Now I am going to delete this dummy database, dummy data through my connector. So here I have created a BPM and I named the process as delete. I will start with a start event. I'll have a task which will be delete data. This task will be using our Cloud Spanner connector. So now I'm selecting delete table data. These details for connection must be filled for all operations. So all the details for connection is filled. Now I need to give the input for table name, where condition. So table name is where the data needs to be deleted. I'm having the table name as library, and I need to give the column name for value where condition, which will be book ID, and the book ID is 4. I will have a response. I'll end it with the end event. So I'll start the deploy the process first. The process is deployed. Now I will start an instance. So instance is started. The instance is started now. We can see the instance is completed, and we can see the responses. Your data is deleted. We can check it in the Spanner database also. Here we can see the data which was in book ID 4 was deleted.